Unfortunately, this might be an improper installation or upgrade from FreeBSD 14.4 for 32-bit to FreeBSD 15.0. Now you need a 64-bit computer. You cannot upgrade directly and reinstall the whole thing from 32-bit to 64-bit in order to do this. But I'm stuck in a mountroot screen. Since I'm on UFS, I could do /dev/gpt/rootfs. Hopefully that's an ideal. It's an invalid file system specification, so let me do the question mark. Question mark is list valid disk boot devices. And then ensure your disk is recognized. So now when it comes to the loader.conf at CFS tab, so now unfortunately it looks like ADA0 Okay, so I might be stuck here. So let's try again. So I believe this might be because I'm using packages instead of distribution sets. That is actually what I suspect is a big reason why I can't use FreeBSD 15 like it would a FreeBSD 14 system. So there is stickiness, so ensure that the etcfs tab includes, instead of DA0 or ADA0, you can do the FS tab. You can also do a make install world or whatnot, as FreeBSD update can sometimes get confused between 14 and 15. The good, the bad, and the ugly. If you would like to learn more about my experience on FreeBSD 15.0, feel free to comment if you know how I can fix my mountroot issues. And if you like this type of content and would like to learn more about FreeBSD perhaps, feel free to like, share, comment, subscribe, try to hack the YouTube algorithm, and thanks for watching. Signing off.